So friends, we're going to a new place called Chilling Point, and there's a waterfall in Chilling Point, and we wanted to see it very much. So come along and enjoy the journey, friends. So friends, as you can see here, a new construction is taking place. A metal bridge is being made, bounded with steel wires. You know friends how hard it is to build a bridge here, bounded with metal wires and with limited people. They're building the bridge because it will be easy to cross the road. So friends, here we got down to click pictures of the beautiful valley, friends. Here I am coming out of the car. So friends, you can also see how beautiful this place is, friends. Let's look at the beautiful mother nature. This valley is beautiful and truly awesome. Friends, this is Hanska Vival. Friends, this is the waterfall we came here to see. Friends, it is called Chilling Waterfall because in the winters it freezes and takes shape of the waterfall only. Friends, I'm enjoying the waterfall by throwing stones in the small stream coming from the waterfall. So, you too enjoy the view. Bye-bye. Friends are sitting there and enjoying the waterfall and its sound. Friends, enjoy it too.
Yes, ready?
We got back down and now we're going home after enjoying the experience. So bye bye friends.